What's up, everybody? I'm Blakemore from SummitGuitarSchool.com. I'm going to teach you how to play Today and Tomorrow by VanderWaal on the ukulele and on the guitar. You will need a capo. Without a capo, we have to retune, and that makes it a little too difficult. So we don't want to do that. So I'll put a link in the description for a capo below if you don't have one. Also, if you enjoy the video, please consider liking and subscribing, and follow the link in the description. Head over and follow us on Facebook as well as Instagram. If you want a free lesson once a month, without any spam or me trying to sell you anything, I promise, head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter, and I'll send you a free lesson once a month. Once again, I'm Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the song form here. We've got an intro, a verse, a repeat of the verse, a chorus, a post-chorus, which is just 2 measures of the C chord. I'll break that down. A verse, a pre-chorus, a chorus, a bridge, which is the chorus chords 2 times through that progression, and then you've got a verse, a pre-chorus, and chorus chords all the way to the end. So you're going to need a capo at the first fret like we talked about, and you're going to do your C chord just like this. First of all, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to keep this really simple. We're not going to do all the embellishments that she does in the song. So if that's what you're looking for, then you need a different video. So this is the easy version. So we've got a C, 3rd fret, 1st string, so it's, then you drop down to the 2nd fret, 1st string, C major 7th, and then you've got C major 9th, and then back to a, so that's, just like that, and then you go to a D minor, which is 2nd fret, 4th, 2nd fret, 3rd, and 1st fret, 2nd string. 2 measures there. Okay, so and then you've got your verse, which is just kind of bounces around between that first chord progression. So I'm just gonna walk it down just to the 2nd finger. So it's down, down, up, down, up, 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 and then I switch to the F. It could be a D minor there. It's kind of a tricky sounding chord, but we're gonna go F, which is 2nd fret, 4th string, 1st fret, 2nd string. Keep that same pattern, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then we're going to go to a D minor, but let me run through that verse again. So you got C, C major 7th, and I stay there. And then I go to F, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then D minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And then I go to C, down, down, and then I walk it down to that 2nd finger, open, 2nd finger, and then you go back through that whole verse again, starting back on the C, all right? And then you go to the pre-chorus, which is a D minor, 2 measures, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, and then to F for the first chord of the chorus. So you got F, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, and then D minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down to C, and then G. So let's look at that G. So you've got 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, 1st string, and that's kind of a, that shape right there. So let's go through that chorus chord progression again. 2, 3, that's on the F, D minor, add the middle finger, and then C, and then G, and then all that again, F, D minor, C, G, and then do an extra measure of G, and then back to this progression. Alright, and then you go back into, we'll call that the post-chorus, which is just that C thing twice, or just C, and then you go to the verse, another pre-chorus, a chorus, a bridge, which is the chorus chords twice through. I'll do that for you. So that's F, D minor, C, G, and then F, D minor, C, G, and then you go to another verse, another pre-chorus, and then the chorus chords all the way to the end. And that is how you play it on the ukulele. All right, on the guitar version, remember we're also capoing first fret again on this. So we've got a C major 7th, or C. We've got a C, and then we're gonna go a C major 7th, which is you just lift up your index. So a C chord, 3rd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 4th, open on the 3rd, 1st fret 2nd string, and then C major 7th, lift up your index. All right, and then C major 6th, we're gonna put our index on the 2nd fret 3rd string. So it's like, and then the strumming pattern is the same from the ukulele to guitar. So you got down, down, up, down, up. That's the pattern. So you're gonna go down, down, up, down, with a major 7th, major 6, then back up to the major 7th, and then you go to D minor, which is 2nd fret 3rd string, 3rd fret 2nd string, 1st fret 1st string, and that's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, and then the verse starts, and you just go C, and you go to the major 7th, and then I stay there. All right, I'll do that again. So this is the verse, down, down, up, down, up, and then I go straight to the C major 7th, and then I just stay there. You could go through the whole thing. It's up to you, really, on that part. So I'm just gonna stay there. So, and then I'll stay on the C major 7th, and then D minor. Actually, it goes to F. Ah, my bad. So it's C, verse, and then to F. So I'm gonna kind of bar just the first 2 frets of the first fret of the 2nd and the 1st fret of the 1st string, and I'm gonna put my 3rd finger, 5th string, 3rd fret, pinky, 4th string, 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and my index, like I said, over the first 2 strings, 1st fret. And I'm just kind of barring like that. You kind of have to play that chord. The major 7th one could work where you just play your index, but here's what we've got here. So let me break down that verse again. So you got C major 7th, or sorry, C major 7th, and then I stay there, and then I go to the F, and then I go to D minor, to the C, to the intro turnaround. Then it starts the verse again, back on the C, so 2 verses back to back there, and then a pre-chorus, which is D minor, down, 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 down. So on the chorus, you're gonna start with that F. You got down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, D minor, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, G. And on the G, you got 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret with your 3rd finger, pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. All right? So, again, that chorus, it happens twice. I'll play the chord progression here. F to D minor to C to G. All right? And it does that twice, and then it stays on the G for an extra measure. And then it goes back to the C. That intro kind of turnaround I had you doing. All right, and then that is leading you back into a verse. So we've learned all the parts of the song now at this point. You just have to get them in the right order. You've got the intro, which is then you got the verse, and then you got the pre-chorus, which is just the D minor, and then you got the chorus, and then you got post-chorus, which is one time through the turnaround. And then back into a verse, a pre-chorus, a chorus, a bridge, which is the chorus chords 2 times through. So that's just the F, D minor, C, G, and then you go back to the turnaround for the verse, another pre-chorus, and choruses all the way to the end. And that is how you play the song on guitar.